What's up, everyone? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos channel. Appreciate you guys joining me today. If you took a look at this chart behind me, would you think that there are many people in profit right now? Okay, your answer is probably no. But believe it or not, with this chart right here, there's over 60% of holders that are currently in profit. Now, the coin that I'm talking about is Dogecoin. We've all heard of Dogecoin, right? The king of the meme coins. It's been around for quite some time, and its run up, into early 2021 was nothing short of incredible. It hit a high of 72 cents and obviously now has felt the pullback with the rest of the market, having started its decline early in 2021. Now, that being said, these metrics are very surprising to me. I did not expect this many people to actually be in profit. Right now, there's currently 61% of holders that sit in profit, with a measly 36% that are out of profit and 3% that are breaking even. Now, what's even more impressive is the length of time that Dogecoin holders have actually held on to Doge. So over 69% of holders have held Dogecoin for over a year. 25% have held it from 1 year to 12 months, and only 6% have held it less than a month. This goes to show you that the long-term support of Dogecoin continues to be strong. And there are some reasons for this, right? Dogecoin is trying to kick the meme coin narrative that it's had since its inception, like other successful coins have done, like Shiba Inu, for example. Now, there's a lot of speculation as to what's going on right now. With Elon Musk's recent acquisition of Twitter, there is speculation of, a possible wallet integration into Twitter, possible payment integration into Twitter. That's been the latest news over the last few days here. But right now, there's a lot of speculation surrounding Dogecoin, which is why we've seen over the last couple months here, the price of Dogecoin start pumping. Okay, we're starting to see some levels that have not been seen for quite some time, because Dogecoin, just like the rest of the market, has been down. It's been in this depressed state because the macroeconomic factors surrounding the market are not very good, right? We know that inflation is high. We know that interest rates are high. There's still a war going on. All these sorts of things are impacting the price of crypto. So it's very cool to see that Dogecoin is starting to make some sort of rebound, despite this being the current situation of the market. Now, that being said, we don't know what the future of Dogecoin is going to hold. There are lots of people that are coming up with ideas to try to innovate, to try to make Dogecoin better, and they're hoping that Elon Musk, wow, I can't talk in this video. They're hoping that Elon Musk can have some sort of, support to help the community out. After all, we do know that Dogecoin is Elon Musk's favorite coin. He has said so publicly, and that's the reason why there is such support for the community. Now, that's all I really got for you guys in this video. Just wanted to share these surprising stats. I want to hear if you guys were surprised. I definitely was. I didn't think that that these stats were so good for Dogecoin, to be completely honest with you. But it'll be interesting to see how Dogecoin performs the rest of the year, see if it can outpace the rest of the market as it has been as of late. Now, that being said, if you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Really hope to catch you in the next one.